Hello and welcome back to the Developer's Diary. In the previous tutorial, we were exploring the select list. Today we shall learn about the cascading select list, or you can say the dependent LOV. And we shall create a list of value in the shared component so that we can use the list of value in multiple pages. So let's log in into your workspace, go to the app builder and choose an existing application or create your own application. Then go to the share component. In the other components, we have a list of values. Then we shall create a new LOV from scratch. Then give it a name, departments LOV, and type will be select dynamic. Then we shall provide SQL query, select depart depth name, which is a display column, and depth ID, which is a return column from departments table. And we shall validate the query. And validation is successful. Then click next. R is return display for D and click create. So this is our shared component based LOV, and we can access this LOV on every page in this application. Then go to the application, the page we have created in the last tutorial. We shall use this one, department LV, that we have created based on a skill query. On the page, so this is the list of our value or select lists that we have created based on query. Now we shall change it to shared component based and choose the LV that we have recently created. Click save and run the page. Now you can see all the departments are coming from the shared list of values. Now we want to add another value, list of value here, so that when we select department, then it will show the employees of that department. So we shall create another page item and name it employees and select its type to select list. Then we have to provide SQL query, select first name, which is display column, and the emp ID, which is return column from employees table, where department ID is based on the page item that we have created here. Click OK. So this is the query for that LOV. But for dependency, we need to provide a cascading list of value, which is the department LOV that we have created in the page item. So this is the page item. We can remove it name from LOV so that we can easily identify that this is a page item, not the LOV of the shared column or shared component. Then we select this, also change here. Then we provide item to submit. Item to submit is basically if we want a variable in the SQL query, then we have to provide in the item to submit. It will submit the attribute value to the SQL query. Click save and run the page. So now you have a finance department. When we click HR, then you can see employees. Then we select the finance. Then it will show the finance department employees first name. If we choose the IT, then it will show the IT employees. Similarly, for sales employees, you can see the sale employee. And when we click or select and then submit and check the value in the session state, you can see that the department is sale and employee ID is 4. Let's change the department ID. So you can see that the name, let's change it to XYZ employee and use the session. So you can see that employee ID XYZ is 81 and the department is HR and its return value is 2. So that uh, is the dependent LOV behavior. So that's all for today. I hope you have learned something useful and see you in the next tutorial.